Welcome to Appliance Fix Lab, a trusted Canadian source for real-world appliance repair, training and diagnostics. These videos are for educational purposes only. Always disconnect power and water before service. Appliance Fix Lab assumes no responsibility for injury or property damage. This lesson presents a real diagnostic case from Charleswood, Winnipeg, featuring an Amana front-load washer model NFW5800DW0 that locked its door, displayed error code E1 F9 long drain and become completely unresponsive. The washer would not power on, the display and indicator lights remained off, and service test entry was not possible. Following standardized diagnostic procedures, the technician from Appliance Fix Lab verified the electrical supply and inspect the power board, user interface board, and wiring harness for continuity using a multimeter. All readings were with normal parameters and there was no visible damage. At this stage, the symptoms pointed toward a potential electronic or wiring fault, yet no direct evidence confirmed it. After briefly restoring power to observe behavior again, a faint operating noise was detected. On this Amana washer platform, when a program is cancelled or reset during a drain sequence, the control logic continues the drain cycle while the display and indicators stay dark. This clue redirected the diagnostic focus toward the drain system. Inspection of the drain pump housing revealed that the pump stator coil was unusually hot, suggestions prolonged operation under load. Once the pump was removed for closer inspection, the impeller rotation felt stiff, indicating mechanical wear likely caused by a foreign object. Inside the volute, a small obstruction, a toothpick, was found physically blockage the impeller, causing the motor to overheat. Based on these findings, E1 F9 long drain behavior, overheated pump coil, and restricted impeller movement, the drain pump assembly was replaced. After reassembly, the washer was powered on again. Even with the display initially dark, the machine completed the residual drain and then unlocked the door. After pressing power, the control panel lit up normally, all cycle options became available, and a new wash program started successfully. To confirm the repair, the manufacturer's service diagnostic test was executed. On this model, with the washer power off, pressing free specific case 3 times in sequence initiates diagnostics. The system automatically tests door lock and unlock, water inlet valves, wash and spin motor rotation, rinse and drain cycles, sensors, and finally the new drain pump. A short express cycle was then run to verify full real-world operation. Fill, wash, action, drain, and final spin were all stable. No new faults appeared. The repair concluded with reassembly, connection check, and cleanup of the service area. Key takeaways from Amana and similar front-load washers. An E1 F9 long drain error may appear together with a locked door, dark display or no response condition when the control prioritizes draining before unlocking. Always inspect the drain circuit early. Check for obstructions in the pump volute and hoses, verify impeller movement, assess pump temperature, and confirm electrical continuity before assuming a board failure. After repairs, always perform both the service diagnostic test and a short life cycle to validate the fix. Keep practicing safe diagnostics and stay tuned for the next lesson in our washing machine repair and diagnostic course. Educational content only. Work at your own risk. Thank you for learning with Appliance Fix Lab, sharing real appliance repair experience from Winnipeg, Canada.